Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to Apple Insider, where we break down the latest and greatest in the world of tech. Today, we're going to be taking a first look at something that's going to shake up the smartphone world in 2026, the all-new Motorola Edge 40. Now, we've got a lot to talk about, from its impressive specs to what makes this phone stand out in the increasingly competitive smartphone market. Let's dive right in. Right off the bat, the packaging feels premium. You've got a nice, minimalistic design, and everything's laid out in a way that's super user-friendly. Inside, we've got the Edge 40, a USB-C charging cable, and the usual paperwork, but here's where things get interesting. Look at this design. This is a flagship contender if I've ever seen one. Motorola has stepped up its game in terms of build quality. The Edge 40 is crafted with a premium aluminum frame, and the back panel has this beautiful, glossy finish, but it's not too reflective. It's almost like it has a matte texture that resists fingerprints, which is a huge win. Moving to the display, the Edge 40 features a 6.7-inch OLED panel with a 120Hz refresh rate. You get vibrant colors, deep blacks, and incredibly smooth scrolling. Whether you're watching videos, gaming, or just browsing, this screen is an absolute treat. And it's bright, even in direct sunlight, visibility is top-notch. Now, let's talk cameras. The Motorola Edge 40 is packing a powerful dual camera setup on the back, a 50 megapixels wide lens and a 50 megapixels ultra-wide lens. That's right, 50 megapixels on both sensors. The image quality here is impressive. We've seen some amazing results from this phone, with sharp details, great dynamic range, and vibrant colors. Check out these shots. The Edge 40 is absolutely delivering in both well-lit and low-light conditions. And the ultra-wide lens. It's perfect for capturing more of your scene without losing that sharpness. Motorola has also enhanced the AI in their camera software, which helps with things like color accuracy and post-processing. Performance-wise, the Motorola Edge 40 is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, coupled with 8 GB of RAM. This makes the phone incredibly fast, whether you're multitasking, gaming, or just running your everyday apps. And with the 512 GB of internal storage, you won't have to worry about running out of space anytime soon. Gaming on this device is a breeze. I ran a few heavy titles like Genshin Impact, and it handled everything with no noticeable lag. The Adreno GPU paired with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 is a powerhouse combo. As for battery life, Motorola has packed a 4600 mAh battery into the Edge 40. In our testing, it easily lasted a full day with heavy use, including streaming, gaming, and browsing. Plus, it supports 65W fast charging, so you can juice up from 0 to 100% in under 30 minutes. So, what's the verdict? The Motorola Edge 40 is a serious contender for 2026. It blends premium design with powerful performance, an excellent camera setup, and all-day battery life. While it might not have the same ecosystem as some other brands, Motorola has made a compelling case with this one. That's it for today's hands-on with the Motorola Edge 40. What do you think? Could this be your next phone? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And, of course, don't forget to like and subscribe for more in-depth tech reviews and news from the Apple Insider team. Until next time, I'm host's name and I'll see you in the next video.